What's up, guys? Welcome back to the greatest common factor lesson of Hugh being 6'1 at SAC. Number 1. What is a GCF? GCF stands for the greatest common factor. Breaking it down means the biggest shared factor. This means that it's the largest number that is shared with two or more numbers. That is a factor. Example questions. Lift the GCF for 18 and 24. The factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. But if you multiply 2 and 3 equals 6, and 1 and 6. That means they all equal to a product, 6. As you have here for GCF for 64 and 72, you see the numbers super overwhelming, but actually it's super easy. It's not like LCM where you gotta list multiples. GCF is just 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. It's mostly just itself and lower. 72 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. As you can see, if you do this all together, you will get one single product. 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. That's pretty obvious already. 1 times 8 equals 8. If you know your times table, this will be very easy for you. A common mistake found in all of my things so far, in my whole entire career of doing math, I found the biggest oops as not breaking it down fully. 42, 21, and 2. But actually, they might think 21 is a prime number. Actually, it is not a prime number, especially saying it has 3 and 7. A prime number is a number with only 2 factors. A composite is more than 2. So it's pretty obvious it should be a composite because it has 1 and 21, which is already 2, and a 3 and 7, which is 4 factors. That's way more than 2. And then after for this, there are many different types of ways. I didn't show the birthday cake method because I'm not really strong with that. I'm very strong with these two more, as their factor tree and the list formatting. I like list formatting. And then if you multiply them with 3 and 4 equals 12 for the GCF, because 12 times 2 equals 24. Another example for the GCF, great example, 24. 2 and 12, 24. Perfect. And then there's a lot more, but I would like to say about this stuff. Thank you for listening, and I hope you see next time about the greatest common factor, as known as the GCF. Math rules, let's go!